Amazon Prime. So this will mark my first official, yes, #1 YouTube video. So I'm really excited, and we're gonna get to see what's in this box. And before I start, I would just like to say, I on my channel will be doing unboxing, reviews, makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, behind the scenes. I will be previewing my new music, my new singles, a EP, look out for that, it's on the way, and also a mixtape coming up, and just beautiful collaborations with companies who sell makeup, apparel, interviews, all of this great things. So, here we go. Got my scissors. And what I love about Amazon Prime is that you can order it and it literally comes within the next day or the day after. So if you do not have Amazon Prime, I will definitely leave a link below, and you can sign up for Amazon Prime. Also, the goodies in this box will also be listed in the link below. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, like I'm literally cutting it open. Well, I'm gonna do it with my hands. One flap, two flaps, three flaps. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, OMG. So I'm so excited to be working with this company and Best Makeup Brushes, and we're gonna have a tutorial about this. So excited about that. I'm all natural, all natural. Yes, my body, my face, my teeth, my hair. Sometimes I wear extensions or clip-ins. So I'm so excited to also be doing a tutorial on this leave-in reparative cream from Cantu. So excited about this. What is this? A Body, Your Choice of Beauty. This is from, let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay. These, oh my gosh, it comes like in a little pouch. I'm so excited. And voila. So, what this is a curling wand. And what I liked about this is like you can see the temperature and you can lock it, turn it on, and these are literally like different sizes. So it's really cool. Small size, big size. I will definitely get more in depth with this in my tutorial because I love curls. Definitely love curls. Small curls, big curls. My hair is like wavy and then curly, like naturally, but I definitely love to use curl-ons on my natural hair and on extensions and clip-ins. And yes, sometimes I also just get a full sew-in. Other times I do tape-ins, clip-ins. Very excited about this. I will definitely be leaving the link below so you ladies can get this too, because believe it or not, I believe that this was only about $40 for like 5 different sizes of curls, so I'm excited. And before I get to that, I'll get to this. My beauty light, I'm so excited for this because I'm going to be filming all my YouTube videos, and I have my official beauty light, and I will definitely leave the link below. But here we go, let's see. Oh my god. This is how it looks. It has like 3 different levels. Also 3 different, what does it say on here? It says live stream beauty ring light, selfie and makeup. I'm so excited. And it comes with a backlight switch, so you can increase the dim or the color or switch on and off. Down at the bottom, and here is my little light. Let's see. Oh yeah, and excuse my nails, I will be getting my nails done, and I guess I will do a nail tutorial too, because these are my real nails. Here goes my ring light. Here goes my ring light. And you can put a camera on top of it. Let's take it out the plastic. You can put the camera on top of here, and you can bend it any which way you like. This way, this way. It has like a ball on the back. And like I said, the cord also has like different levels. Also comes with a tripod stand. That is, how many inches is this? Let's see. A tripod stand. Inches. So it goes to 3 levels. So basically this stand is like more than like, not even more. This is like, to me it was, plus then it has like this at the bottom, so you can like open it. Oh, I almost hit my face. So you can leave it as small as you want to, or big, and then you kind of just put this on top. Let's see if I can do this. I'm not really a technical kind of girl, but let's see if I can work this. It should be pretty simple. Oh, let's see. Oh, there we go. Kind of makes a little click sound. Well, that was easy. So, there you go. It's screwed on and it's tight. Clicks in there. Oh, cool. I love this. And then, like, you can go like this. You lock this down here. And if I go like this, it kind of, if you want to, like, do do a nail tutorial, you can angle it down, secure it. You can angle it back if you're doing something else. Like, so it's 360. I'm gonna just lock it in like this. There. And then on the side it says loose and tight. Then right here is to connect it. So I'm really excited. Yay! I'm gonna put this on the floor. And I also got a Pop Voice microphone. So when I'm recording, the quality of the sound will be so much better because it'll just be like a mic connected to my shirt. So I'm excited about this. I got this from Amazon also. So I'm just so excited. Let's see how it looks. Comes in a little pouch. This is so cute. And it says Pop Voice. And inside the bag, oh, how cute. It's literally the mic. It's like wrapped in Velcro. And then you kind of just attach it right here to your shirt so that when you're doing videos, you could just like have the sound quality right here. And I have like a soft voice when I talk, so it's great. I definitely needed this. And right here it also says Pop Voice. It's great branding. And then you can switch the colors, and it also has a little jack if you want. It says it's an adapter to connect to your desktop, to your mic, or to your iPhone. So that's pretty cool. Here goes the little adapter. Also right here says Pop Voice, and you just put this on top. Now there you go, and you can connect it to your iPhone, your iPad, your computer, what have you, and you'll get channel feedback from talking into the mic and your voice. So this is pretty cool. And I really love about this cord is like extra long. So that's really pretty cool. So let's see. And they also have a Facebook page. Cool. And 3 different colors. Another black one, and then a red one and an orange one. So that's pretty cool. And it comes with like little booklet instructions. So I'm gonna put this away. And last but not least, I've been seeing this like everywhere on YouTube, and I'm just like, can this really work? And I was just like, I have to have it. I got the Redlon One Step Hair Styler. It's a lightweight aerodynamic division. So this is really cool. I'm just really excited to use this, and I'm not gonna unbox it right now, but definitely when I do my hair tutorial, I will definitely unbox it. I'm just so excited to embark on this journey and to reveal a little bit more of the personal side of me again. Thank you for watching. I'm just so excited. Bye.